Hi students, as you know that in grade 5 and in grade 6 you have to do an assessment for ICT skills. Your teacher will give you assessment to do in your class as this will go into your PESAC certificate. Therefore, I'm providing you an assessment model so that you can know how the test will be. So let's start. Firstly, open Microsoft Word. How do you open your Microsoft Word software? First, you press on Start button. When you press on Start button, in the menu, if you find Microsoft Word, you click on it. Else, you click on All Programs, then you click on the folder Microsoft Office, then you open Microsoft Word. Second question, type the following sentence. Life and time are world's two teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, while time teaches us the value of life. Therefore, in your Microsoft Word, you must type the sentence like mentioned in the question. Question number 3 now. Change the font of the word life. In the sentence you have typed, there is the word life. And the word life, we have it 3 times. 1, 2, and 3. These 3 words, you must change its font. What do I mean by font? I mean the writing style for the word life. You must apply the style monotype cursive and its font size to 42. I mean these words, its size must be 42. Let's work it. Firstly, I select the word. I come near font and I choose monotype cursive. And its font size must be 42. When there is no 42, you enter in the text box, you erase this value and type 42. For the software to consider the font size 42, after typing it, you press Enter key. Same, you will do it with the next word life. If you don't find monotype cursive at the start, what you should do? Monotype cursive starts with the letter M. Therefore, you move down until you reach the letter M. And here you search monotype cursive, M-O. Here it is. You will surely find it here. And size 42. Here again, monotype cursive and size 42. Next question. Insert the following table below the sentence. Before inserting table in our document, we must count the number of columns and rows. Here I have one column and two columns. Therefore, I have two columns. And how many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 rows. Two columns and 4 rows. I press enter to change line and I will insert the table. Insert table, insert table. I had two columns and 4 rows, and then I press on OK. Then I shall type the words exactly as mentioned in the question. Stages. I press the arrow key to move down. Start, middle, end. I use the arrow key to move. Event, birth, life, death. I have ended. Here what's my table look like. Now next question. Insert the picture live JPEG between the sentence and the table. Usually when the teacher is providing you a picture to insert, she will tell you where she has saved the picture. For me, I have saved the picture on the desktop. Pay attention where the picture you are being provided is found. Where to insert the picture? Between the sentence and the table. Here my sentence ends here and this is my table. Therefore, I come where my sentence ends. I press enter to change line and then I will insert the picture. Insert picture. The picture is found on the desktop. I go on the desktop. I select the picture live and press on insert button. Here is my picture. I have forgotten to work the question number 5. We shall work it. Apply a line spacing of 1.5 to the sentence type. This sentence that I have typed, I must apply line spacing of 1.5. What is line spacing? It is the space between the two lines. This space is its line spacing. How to apply line spacing of 1.5? I will select this sentence and click on the symbol of line spacing and choose 1.5. You will notice that the space between these two lines have increased. Now next question. We have already inserted the picture. Now, number 7, center align the picture. Alignment. We have three types of alignment. Left, it will stay on the left side of the page. Then center, and then right. If I tell you to center align, you must select the picture and choose center. If I tell you to right align, you must assure it is selected and choose right align. If I tell you left align, then you must choose left. But in our question, we have mentioned center align. Next question. Italicize the word time. We have formatting. This is bold, this is italic, and this is underline. When in the question it is mentioned italicize, it means you must apply the formatting of italic. Which word I told? Word time. I select the word time and I click on italic. Italic, the word will become a little bent. Little bent. The word will bend a little. Next question. Embolden. Embolden, the word value. The word value. When it is mentioned embolden, I mean apply the formatting bold. You select the word and press on B. If ever the question tells you to underline a word, for example, us, I select the word and press on U to underline. Now I have noticed that there are I told to italicize the word time. Okay, but there are time, one word time here, 2 and 3. Therefore, I have to italicize the 3 words, not only this one. I select and choose italic. I select and then choose italic. If the word is repeating, therefore you must apply it to all. Like life, I had 3 words for life. For time also I had 3 words. Therefore I have to apply the formatting to all the words mentioned in the question. Now save your work as Our Life, Your Name. For me, I will tell you to save it on your desktop, because as you switch on your computer, you will obtain your desktop first. But if your teacher is telling to save in My Documents, therefore you must obey what the teacher is asking in the question. I will explain it to you both. Therefore, to save, you will click on File. You will click on Save As, Computer. You will save on your desktop. Now, if your teacher is telling you to save in documents, okay, you can choose documents here. You will be sure that your test or your exercise will be saved on documents. Else, if we have to save, we'll save on desktop. In the question, it was mentioned to save as our life, your name. I will give the file name, our life, and I will type my name, and then I press on Save button. Now that I have already worked the assessment, I will close my Microsoft Word. When you have finished saving your work, you must go and verify if really your work has been saved. Like me, I have saved my work on the desktop. Therefore, I must go on the desktop and verify if my work has been saved. Here, our life, Zara. Therefore, my work has been saved. I must ensure that my work has been saved in order that I get marks in the assessment. I hope you have understood everything we have explained and you will work well in your assessment or your test. Thank you for your attention.